Today we're diving into some of the strangest and most fascinating government experiments projects that seem to bend, or even break, the laws of physics. From attempts to defy gravity to exploring the mysteries of quantum teleportation, let's explore the unbelievable world of science on the edge. Gravity shielding experiment. In the mid-1990s, Russian scientist Eugene Podkletnov made headlines with a bold claim. He had created a way to reduce gravity itself, using a superconducting disk spinning inside a magnetic field. Podkletnov reported that objects placed above it became up to 2% lighter, while NASA tried to replicate the experiment. Results were inconclusive. But if proven real, this could have opened doors to gravity shields and new forms of space travel. The Marauder project. Around the same time, the US military was working on something straight out of science fiction, the Marauder project. This top-secret plasma railgun aimed to fire donut-shaped plasma projectiles at nearly 3% of the speed of light. That's thousands of miles per second. Though details remain classified, the project pushed magnetic and electrical engineering to their limits. Canada's Project Magnet. Back in the 1950s, Canada launched Project Magnet, the mission to investigate UFO sightings and test whether magnetic propulsion could explain how flying saucers might move. Scientists deployed magnetometers across the country to track unusual readings. While no alien technology was found, the project marked one of the earliest official government studies into UFOs. The cold fusion claim. Fast forward to 1989, when chemists Martin Fleischmann and Stanley Pons shocked the world. They announced they had achieved cold fusion, nuclear fusion at room temperature using palladium and heavy water. This breakthrough promised unlimited cheap power. But when other labs tried to replicate the results, most failed. Though dismissed by many, cold fusion research still continues in fringe labs today. The HAARP project in Alaska. The US government built HAARP, the High-Frequency Active Auroral Research Program. Its purpose was to study how the ionosphere, the charged upper layer of our atmosphere, reacts to strong radio waves. While scientists saw it as a legitimate way to improve communications and GPS, conspiracy theories exploded. Some believed HAARP could control weather or even minds. The reality was a fascinating but harmless atmospheric experiment, detecting gravitational waves. In 2015, scientists at LIGO, the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, achieved the impossible. They detected ripples in space itself, caused by two black holes colliding over 1 billion years ago. Einstein predicted this phenomenon a century earlier, but until LIGO, no one had ever seen it. The discovery proved that space-time stretches, vibrates, and moves, from bending gravity to chasing alien technology. These experiments show how governments often push the boundaries of science, sometimes succeeding, sometimes failing, but always sparking curiosity. Which of these experiments do you think was the most groundbreaking or the most bizarre? Let us know in the comments below.